Confetti Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Confetti, an online event and virtual party platform designed for hosting interactive, engaging, and memorable events. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Confetti is a unique platform aimed at bringing people together for virtual experiences, whether it's for corporate team building, social events, or casual gatherings. It stands out due to its vast selection of interactive activities and events that go beyond just video conferencing. With Confetti, you can host a range of games, trivia, scavenger hunts, and even virtual cocktail making classes. It's designed for businesses, event planners, and anyone looking to create a fun and engaging event experience. One of the platform's key features is its easy-to-use interface. Setting up an event on Confetti is straightforward with a user-friendly dashboard that allows you to quickly customize activities and manage event details. You can choose from ready-made event packages or create your own, tailored to your specific needs. This flexibility is perfect for both small team gatherings and larger corporate events. Confetti also excels in delivering real-time engagement. Participants can interact in a variety of ways, from solving puzzles together to competing in team-based challenges. The platform also includes a chat feature, which enhances communication and collaboration during the event, making it feel more like an in-person experience. Another highlight is Confetti's customer support. They offer excellent assistance and are quick to respond to queries, ensuring that you have everything you need for a successful event. Whether you're hosting a team-building session or a celebration, Confetti's seamless event management tools and interactive features help keep participants entertained and engaged. Overall, Confetti is a powerful tool for anyone looking to host virtual events that are both interactive and fun. If you're seeking to create a memorable experience for your team, clients, or guests, Confetti is a platform worth exploring. Check out the link in the description for more details and pricing.